So we'll be targeting that consolidation. We'll be targeting that gap fill at 185.22 if price action continues to consolidate this institutional candle setup. So far, we have been consolidating for three candles, but it has been under heavy pressure. We really have to hold above 183.78 and print the next candle green so that it shows bulls are in control. SPY is also failing to break out above the top of the base here, but it definitely has momentum to break out above this resistance and head towards the gap fill at 407.64. As long as we can hold that imbalance candle, I think we have a good chance to take out that. So we have a demand. We have first we had that bearish engulfing candle followed by a sell off, and then during the consolidation we had that massive bullish engulfing that time, and that bullish engulfing basically takes out the bearish. It counters the bearish engulfing. So if Tesla can continue to consolidate here, I think we will get another massive green candle above 185. By the way, Paul, SPY 30-minute time frame looks very bullish for a potential gap fill. I can see them trying to potentially fake us out, where they just, as soon as they go near the gap, they try to fake us out. But honestly, so far it doesn't look bad. I will tell you when I will be concerned though. If they go down below 406.83, I will be very concerned. But until then, as long as they remain above the 2 wick candles at 407.12, I think they're eventually going to break out and potentially fill the gap ahead. I just shared the chart in chat room. Come on, Tesla, give us a big green. If it gives us a big green, we are in the money, dude. Like, it is gonna print. But I swear to you guys, the volume is coming in, so it looks very promising. As long as SPY consolidates that massive breakout institutional candle, I think Tesla will Tesla. There we go. The TTM squeeze is squeezing on the 5 minute time frame, going from light red, which is a cool off stage, to signifying another short squeeze. So far this is good. If we can just get a close above it and not sell off, because SPY is selling off. So far, we're up $30 here, team. I am up not bad. I am up not bad, you guys. Come on. Give it to us, Tesla. Yes. Wah! I'm sorry, you guys. I'm on coffee and my body has so much momentum. I don't know. Yeah, man. I just want to let it out. Honestly, I'm playing the same as you guys. I'm dead serious because I'm preparing for the 1K challenge and I've been getting the same thing as you guys, same entries, and sometimes I even push myself to entering 5 to 10 points higher just so that I can understand others' perspectives in terms of like what we will do. Yeah, man, grabbing the same thing as you guys. Like if I say I'm buying one contract, I'm literally buying one contract. Hey, the funny part is it's actually recorded. So you guys pay attention how SPY is coming down, but Tesla is actually trying to go up. If the next candle turns out to be green on SPY, Tesla can really rip. But I'm very scared because if SPY rejects here, then we will get a double top on Tesla because it failed to place a higher high, which is what we need to see. We need to see a higher high at the gap fill at 185.52. All right. Whoa, look at the relative strength. This is what I want to see, man. This is what I want to see. Beautiful breakout. It doesn't give a dog's crap about what SPY is doing. It's doing its own thing. All right, now we are taking it out. You guys see how they're establishing that higher high structure? They know better not to, not to mess this up, because if they do, that's some heavy supply sell off. So they're trying to already take it out while SPY is consolidating. So far, we are up $60, team. We can definitely take profits, but man, 65 here. But we can be up so much if we get another massive green. Like it'll just go up $100 on the contract if we just fill that gap. Whoa, 2.70. All right, team. All right, team. You know what? Okay, here we go. It's going. Get ready to sell, please. Get ready. If you have two, sell one here. If you have two, sell one here, please. If you have two, sell one here, team, please. ASAP. 2.80. I'm gonna take profits here, team. All right. 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 We out. We out. Okay, so first contract out at 2.77. Great stuff, you guys. Great trade right there. Let's go. Let's go. Love to hear that, Andy. Hell yes. Good stuff, Faiz. Looks like we might get the higher high at 185.52. That's where we want to take profits on our second contract. It's such a shame that SPY has such a great momentum, but unfortunately, Tesla's really lagging today. Still not bad. We took our profits, and so far the contract that we have that's already in the money is basically free for the day because we've made enough profits. We're up over 400 on Tesla so far for the day. By the way, team, are you learning? Sorry, Paul. Are you guys learning the bases? I hope you guys are learning the bases, man. I'm telling you, it's one of the easiest freaking ways to really understand price action. Now, imagine you combine this with, like, let's say a nine count or something, right? And the nine count basically regains the consolidation base. You knew damn well Tesla was going to push there because it aligned with your nine count and it aligned with the way they regained the consolidation base. I'm telling you guys, like, it's one of the most beautiful stuff. It's basic supply and demand, and it really doesn't require much effort. You just draw in a box, and it takes away your brain from being that biased trader. You get what I mean? Like here are the two consolidations. I mean, look at that. We clearly knew that they would hold because they clearly established it. And when they broke out, when SPY broke out above the base and it was consolidating with the wicks, although they consolidated as shown per screenshot in chat room, they were consolidating above the recent breakout. Just kind of consolidating pretty much above where the wicks of those candles were, which was a very bullish signal. That specification right there is what really gave the bulls the strength or sort of the catalyst or the notion that okay, bulls are in control because they're maintaining above the recent supply weakness and that they are consolidating for the next leg higher, and that's what pretty much happened with SPY. Honestly, Paul, here's how I personally decoded. Here's how I personally interpreted SPY. Right, I saw that bearish momentum there, and look, now it's starting to squeeze because it's finally above the resistance breakout. But what made me kind of like see it in a bullish way? Don't get me wrong, you're 100%. By the way, guys, Paul is 100% on point with this. If this was a weaker market condition, we would have exited, but we had seen strength on SPY. But yeah, if this was a different day and SPY was weak, Tesla would have gone down there because it had a head and shoulders, and that consolidation was basically trying to invalidate that head and shoulders. And once we broke out, that's when you can see that momentum is just strong there. You get what I mean? So that's pretty much my interpretation on why I waited Tesla out. I am sorry, you guys. What the hell? Look at that SPY candle. Holy smokes, dude. All right, team, sell Tesla here at 3 point. I sold at 3.15, the second contract. Congratulations on this trade, team. That was a beautiful trade. My favorite my favorite trader in this whole trade that went down is actually Trump chops, because what he did was he continued to get in and out, in and out, in and out, and then finally, when our narrative changed, and we saw that a big move was coming on Tesla, he finally got back in, and this time remained in it for the breakout, caught the breakout as well. Jedi caught $74 in about 30 seconds on that trade. That is just honestly amazing. Like, my gosh, that is really awesome. But that base rally was just beautiful right off of that institutional candle towards the gap fill there. And we finally have that gap fill. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. And now that contract is trading at 3.27. So 3.30. So again, really good trade. We basically we let one run, and we took profits on one for $70, and then we let another one run, and that was our, I believe, fourth trade for the day. So the first trade we did, we made 100% on that trade, and then the second one was really fast. This was one my favorite. This one was at 7:59 a.m. and we got out at 8:02 a.m. Super fast trade. But yeah, so we ended up getting back in that same contract just $15 cheaper, and we were able to sell it at $77, and then we sold the second contract at $315. So that particular trade was 77 plus $115 with two contracts. Really great trade. Congratulations if you took this one, team.